Why does your scanner show the P246F engine code? What does it mean? P246F is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit range or Performance Bank 1 Sensor 4. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's computer ECM has detected an issue with the sensor's ability to accurately measure exhaust gas temperature, or that the sensor is not within the expected range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Exhaust gas temperature sensor failure, wiring issues, exhaust leaks, particulate matter buildup, other potential issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz and Volkswagen diesel vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.